Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, well, maybe not, we're gonna be making my morning shake. So I do still do Herbalife. I do still take my shakes in the morning. I have fallen off, but not to worry. Again, I have a whole mind shift change and I'm back with it, okay? So I want to show you guys what I do and how I make my shakes. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, stay tuned.
Project Life. Baby, tell me what you ride for, nigga. Baby, tell me what you die for. I remember seeing a little homie got hit up.
The first thing is obviously your ingredients. So what I have here, obviously I have strawberries. I like to add strawberries for flavor. And then I have one banana. I always add a banana also for flavor. And then you always need some greens. You can use spinach. You can do like a mixed greens, or you can use kale. I don't have kale. I bought spinach specifically for this. I haven't had spinach in my system in a while. So we're gonna do this. I typically drink a shake whenever I'm not like gonna make a breakfast meal, or if I'm like trying to fast a bit that day. And then of course you have to add your protein, or whatever you can use anything. A lot of people can go to GNC to get like protein powder and stuff like that. My personal preference is the Herbalife protein powder. I find that it works best for me. They have different flavors. I can go over that if you guys want to know more about Herbalife and their different products and things like that. But I have just been sticking with the cookies and cream. I love it. So once I find something I like, I stick to it. It becomes holy grail. So I also have my protein powder, and of course my handy dandy Herbalife shaker cup to put my shake in, because everything just fits in here perfectly when I make my shake. Okay, you're gonna need a blender, or what is that NutriBullet, or whatever you have. I just have a typical standard little blender here, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so the first thing I like to add into here is my banana. So I'll just open that up. Excuse my nails, you guys. I'm gonna get them done. So hang on just a second. Open that up and just kind of, I don't know if you guys can see, but you should be able to. Let me slide this over. And I'll just drop that in there like so. I mean, you could break it in half, but the blender's gonna do the job, so I just drop it. Now, I always add literally a cup of ice. So I'll scoop up as much ice from my ice maker and just drop it in there. So after my ice, I like to add in my protein powder. I typically do a half a cup of the protein powder. So I just scoop out that, drop that in. And then I'm also gonna do a full cup of water. So let me go back and get my cup of water. So here I have a full cup of water. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. Okay, so then I'm done with that. All right, so then the next thing is our, greens. Let me get some scissors to cut that open. Okay, I'm just gonna cut that open. And I'm gonna take out, a good handful of greens and just kind of drop that in there. Okay, just like that. And with the strawberries, you always want to rinse them off first. You never just want to put them in there. So I take about 3 different strawberries, good sized ones. I pull off these little guys. Sorry. I pull off the little ends here. I'll rinse them off and I'll just drop them in there. So let me choose the 3 that I'm gonna use. Just gonna take those off. Okay, choose another one. These are really good strawberries. They look so fresh. Take this off. All right, I'm gonna rinse these off. Oop. I'll be right back. Let me rinse these off. Just gonna drop those in there. And we're gonna put the lid on this bad boy. Okay, make sure it's on there. And we're gonna blend this bad boy. shake it around. My finger in there. So I still feel like a big piece of ice in there. That tastes so good. So I'm gonna put it back on there. Excuse me. I'm gonna put the lid back on. I still feel, you know, a big piece of ice in there. I want to get that all blended down, so I'm gonna start it up again. Alright, and let's get a good better angle of this for you guys. And that's what it looks like. So now I have my cookie. I just came back from the gym, so I usually put water in here. I'm going to empty this out for my so good. So I'm gonna be drinking on this. I work from home, so I simply drink on this throughout the day while I'm working, and it's just awesome. Right after a workout, come home, make my shake. Sometimes I'll make it before I go just to have it already ready if I want to spend more time at the gym. But today after the gym, I just came home and made it, and I'm gonna drink on this probably until dinner. Unless I feel hungry, I might snack on something, but I typically just try to drink the shake and then just go until dinner, and then make something nice and light for dinner. Or if I do eat lunch, I won't eat dinner. I'll probably make another shake and just finish out the night that way. Anyway, I just want to show you guys how I make my shakes. You do want to have some sort of protein powder. That I just feel like it helps after a workout, before a workout. Great stuff. If you're interested in Herbalife, let me know. I can answer whatever questions you may have. Just reach out to me. I thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Project Life. Baby, tell me what you ride for, nigga. Baby, tell me what you die for. I remember seeing a little homie got hit up.